On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will talk about decorators in TypeScript. We will explain TypeScript decorators in detail, presenting their usage and specific examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. TypeScript decorators are a mechanism for adding additional functionality or behavior to classes, methods, accessors, properties, or parameters. Decorators are a powerful tool for enhancing code readability and reusability. A decorator is a function that injects additional functionality into a class or class members. Decorators were introduced in TypeScript 1.5 and have also been proposed for the ECMAScript standard. To use decorators, you need to enable the experimental decorators option in the tsconfig.json file. In TypeScript, you can use the following 5 decorators. Class decorator. A decorator applied to a class. Method decorator. A decorator applied to a method of a class. Accessor decorator. A decorator applied to a getter or setter of a class property. Property decorator. A decorator applied to a property of a class. Parameter decorator. A decorator applied to a parameter of a method. Class decorators are decorators applied to classes. Class decorators are written just above the class definition and can access the class constructor. They are mainly used to change class behavior or add metadata. In this example, the logger decorator is applied to the class, and a message is displayed in the console when the class is initialized. Method decorators are applied to class methods and can alter method calls and behavior. A method decorator takes 3 arguments: the prototype of the class, the name of the method, the property descriptor of the method. In this example, the log execution time decorator is applied to the method, and the execution time of the method is logged. Accessor decorators are applied to getter or setter of class properties. They are useful for adding behavior when changing property values. In this example, an accessor decorator is used to log output when the getter and setter are called. Property decorators are applied to class properties but cannot directly change the property's value or behavior. They are used to obtain metadata of properties. In this example, the read-only decorator is applied to the title property, and the property is made read-only. Parameter decorators are applied to the parameters of a method. They are usually used to store metadata or validate parameters. Decorators take 3 arguments. The prototype of the class, the name of the method, parameter index. In this example, the log parameter decorator is applied to the first parameter of the greet method, and when the method is called, it logs that the parameter is decorated. Decorators are widely used in frameworks like Angular, especially for dependency injection and metadata definition. For example, use the component decorator to define Angular components like below. Thus, decorators are often used as core parts of frameworks and libraries, helping keep code concise and clear. TypeScript decorators are powerful tools that flexibly add functionality to classes, methods, and properties. Using custom decorators improves code maintainability and reusability, enabling further abstraction. Decorators play an important role in frameworks like Angular and Nest.js, and understanding them helps in deeply understanding how these frameworks work. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel and look forward to the next video.